let's start. So we are going to discuss module 14. This is the last module of our course. Here we can study about the automation and the integration. Okay. So, yeah. Uh, two people is me. Okay. So my screen is visible, right? Okay. So we are going to discuss about the module 14, which is the last topic of our course. Here we are going to study about the automation and the integration. And so we are going to automatically send the email from Excel itself. Okay. And we can send the bulk email. We can transfer the data from Excel to the Word. Okay. And we will make a simple dashboard. The dashboard can be anybody can make the dashboard according to their requirement. The dashboard is very simple. So let's start. The concept is Visual Basic Application allow you to automate manual and repetitive Excel operation like generating report, formatting sheet, applying filter, or copying data with a single click. After that, to recording and running macro for routine operation, automatic report generation daily, weekly, monthly, auto formatting cell, table, and the chart, automatic data cleanup, removing blank, duplicate cells, etc. Creating summary sheet from the multiple sheets. All these tasks can be do by the help of macro automatically. So let's understand with the first example here. Automatic report formatting. So let's suppose we have a this is the code. I generated it by the help of ChatGPT. Even you can generate by yourself if you a manual coder, but I'm not a manual coder. So we are going to take a button. Under that button, we are going to put this total program code like this. Set W equal to workbook.sheet, and the name of the sheet is report. After that, with WS dot cell dot font dot name that caliber, we are going to use this format of letter. See this. There is so many format of the letter here. So here we are going to use caliber. Caliber here. Caliber. Then dot cells dot font dot size is 11. Even you can change it here. This size of the letter. After that, dot column dot af dot auto fit. It will automatically fit according to the size of the word or letter. And dot range a1 to f1 dot font. It apply between this range. After that, dot range a1 dot f1 dot interior dot color. It will give this RGB color. This is the code of color. Okay. So you can put any color. Dot range a1 dot f1 dot font color VB white. The letter of the word become white. End with message box report format successfully VB information. This will give the message at the end of successfully running of the code. Insert. So this is the code. Let me copy this code and copy. Go to the sheet. Micro enable sheet. Okay. Already we have a code. Let me show you the code. Okay, so this is the same code. I'm going to use it here. Okay, this code I'm going to paste here under the button 1 and save it. Okay. So here uh, okay, so I'm going to delete this data. Okay, on. So let's suppose we put any data like this. Just copy this data and paste into this sheet. And let's suppose we have this format we have designed for our report. This format, the word size, the color, the header color, all the things. Okay, and this code is inserted into this button. When we run this button, this generated a their format, whatever the format we designed, and at the end report formatted successfully. Okay. For simple example, I created like this. So just create, copy this and send this report to someone. If you want to put border like this, you will create the border also. Here in our code, no border. So if you want border in this code, just copy this code, copy, go to the chat GPT. Okay, now I'm going to use the border. I want to add border in report. Okay, okay, everything is same, just is changing. Every cell color, caliber, all the things. Font bold, okay. Interior color, here border. The added border here. Okay, not like this. Wait, change something like this. I want to add border in the entire report. I want to add border in okay. Let's try this one. Copy. Right click. Edit. Change the code here. Done. Save. Cancel. Just delete. Take data. Okay. See the format as well as the border is created now. So you can change according to your need, whatever you want. Anything you can do it. So this is a simple example how to create a report with a proper format automatically. So one click, it will. Yeah, because I'm just putting the formatting idea. Yeah, so this is very simple things. Now let's move. Okay, so this is dashboard creating. Dashboard creating is very easy. You can create dashboard. So let's suppose we have a data like this: the month, the region, and the sales. The month is from January, Jan, Feb, March, like this, and region is north, south like this, and data is like something sales. Okay. So simply click a chart like this and put a label here. This label you can take label from the insert here. Save like this. Put like this here. So this way, okay. This way you can get the label and copy this. Paste one more label and give the value. And here I also given the value. So here whenever we change the data here, let's suppose I make it. See, first check the data here. So for January, the value is at 12,000. I'm going to increase the value. I'm going to make this 20,000. Enter. Automatically change. Refresh the dashboard. Dashboard updated successfully. Same way here, this data change. And here, if you change south, it will give the south here. So dashboard is very easy. You can create it by you according to your requirement. So there is no big things to learn here. But I'm going to teach you about the email, how to send email automatically. Okay. Sure, sure. Let me show you the code. Okay, so dashboard summarize key data visually using chart, KPI, and the tables. VBA can make dashboard interactive, updating data, refreshing chart, and applying filters automatically. So using VBA to update the chart dynamically, controlling chart and pivot table through the VBA, creating button for dashboard navigation, refreshing dashboard data automatically, interacting user input like combo box, list box, anything you can put it. So I'm using this code first to refresh the dashboard and this code for dynamic chart update. Okay. Let me show you. Go to the here. So here like dim WSO worksheet, recalculate all formulas for each WS in a worksheet dot calculate and refresh all queries or a pivot chart like this workbook dot refresh all message dashboard updated successfully. So at the end, whenever it's update the sheet, this message will be reflected. Okay. So here, so whenever we click on this, it will automatically show dashboard updated successfully. So whenever we change the data, it's changed here. Okay. So this is total. Total. The sum equal to data sheet like this. Let's suppose I want to create total here. Merge the table like this. merge and center and merge these two tables, merge and center. Okay, give the name like total. Okay, I'm going to copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, now make red, make it bold, format, change it like this. Okay, after that, here see some data and select C2 to C9, C2 to C9. Okay, put here equal to sum, Moodle data sheet and select this, close the bracket, enter, done. So it will automatically update it. Hello, yeah, see, so whenever we change the value here this is 1,24,000. If I correct this 12,000 like this, enter. So graph is also changed and the value is also changing. So automatically change. We can observe graphically. Okay.
But can you do the whole thing to be when from the data the chart, the total sales registration?
If you want to create it, that is also.
These things we do regularly in Excel normally. So why I have to use the VBA?
VBA is, let's suppose this is like a dashboard. It's not I'm using the anything to automate here. Automation is like.
No, what I'm getting, when I create the chart in the Excel, it is also a basic chart I can create without VBA. And when I change the data, automatically chart also change. So
Yes.
what is the competitive advantage of VBA here?
VBA is like, let's suppose I want to refresh or something like this. So here
But VBA follows the
automatically they refresh. So that's why I'm not discussing about so much, because this dashboard is very simple, not like this. But you can create by using the VBA if you want to. Yeah, but if you have any idea, we can create it right now. Do you have any idea?
We use this chart very frequently, and these are also interesting. And in Excel also there are lots of interesting charts we can do. So not if you don't have that's it.
Okay.
Because all users do not have the macro and after when we send this file to the user, they don't have all the macro and after blah blah blah. We have to give normal Excel, normal interesting file.
But you can easily create by the help of this macro also. Whenever you click the things, it will automatically create the chart. It will do the calculations and all the things. It's very easy. Whatever the concept I teach you. Yeah. Well, this dashboard is very simple. That's why I discussed very few minutes. And then update the chart, all the things. But it's automatically updating. It's not no need to run the macro to update this. It's automatically updated whenever I change the value here. Yeah. But you will get that thing where you can use the VBA. Yeah, actually this time I don't have any idea about this, but if you want, I will create the project and send to you. Yeah. So after that, see, important of the VBA. See, here we are going to send the email from the Excel itself. Okay, automatically. So we have to create, like we have to write like to here, then subject and the body. To is to email. We can put to into the email, right? In any email, either Outlook or a Gmail or Outlook 365. We put email address into the to, and then subject. We give subject. So my subject is testing VBA message to the email. Okay, and body. Under the body, we can write a email. Let me write a nice email. Wait a minute. Okay, so dear sir, like this. Let me put this button this side here. And then put in the next cell. Okay, at the end. Thanks will take automatically in thanks and last. Like this. Let's suppose we have email format like this, and I want to send this email. Okay, so just put A1 2 into the A1 cell, subject into the A2 cell, and body into the A3 cell. Got it? After that, I set just put an email ID here, and then subject into the B2 and the body into the B3. Okay. Okay. After that, create a button by go to the developer tab, insert, just click on this and create a button like this. Okay, button is created. Go to the new. Whenever you go to the new, okay, I don't want this button because we have already button. You will get here. So sending email from Excel via Outlook. Okay. So subject serve seat 1 underscore button 1 click dim Outlook app as an object, dim mail as object, then dim file path as a string, dim ws as a worksheet, dim ws as a worksheet dot seat 1. Okay, so this is a seat 1. Got it? And this workbook means where we are working. After that, file path, where this Excel sheet is placed in our computer. So it's placed in D drive, ACTE folder, and one VBA macro Nusrat Jahan and sales.xls. This is the address of this file. Okay, this sheet. Okay, so you have to give the address like this. Wherever you put this file, you have to give the address. Fine. And this is the XLS. We have to put .xls. This is the name of the sheet. Sorry, workbook. Fine. See at the top here. It's not visible, but its name is sales. Okay. After that, on error resume next. Set. Yeah. I just a minute. Okay. On error resume next, set Outlook app equal to get object class Outlook.application. If Outlook app is nothing, then set Outlook app. Create object Outlook.application. End it or error go to 0. And if Outlook app is nothing, then message box Outlook 365. I'm going to, because I don't have the normal Outlook which is using in a corporate company, but I'm going to use Outlook 365. Let me show you how it's look like. I think you are aware of the Outlook 365, right? Okay, so this is my Outlook. You can set for any other email also. Fine. This is my Outlook. I already tested it. See this? Okay. See after that. See. So message box Outlook 365 is not running or not configuring properly because whenever some error, this message will come. Check if the file exists. So I'm going to attach a file in this email. This is an email, and I'm going to send this email to Amit Kamath 5186 @outlook.com, and I'm going to attach a file also. Okay, so here If dir file path, then message box attach not found, exit sub, create a new mail item, send email outlook dot app creation item. Now here with mail dot to ws range b1. So for two we are setting b1 cell where we keep the email id. Okay, here ws range b1 dot value. Okay, and this is for email id. After that dot cc. So if you want to keep somebody in cc, where it's optional, if you will give it will take, and then dot bcc. Okay, so this is optional. You can, if you want to give, you can give the cell like this, ws range b1 c1 like this. Then subject ws range, this time it's a b2. This is the subject. Now I'm going to change the subject. Can you suggest me some subject like sending email from Excel with file with attached file like this. Okay, so this is our subject. Then so subject into the b2. So whatever you want to keep the subject, put into the b2. Then body, so ws range b3. Now I'm going to change this. It's from b2 sorry, b3, then b4, b5, b6, b7 till b7. Okay, now dot attach file. I'm going to attach a file. Okay, give the file path like this. Okay, so here if you want to display the hello. Okay. So if you want to, so there is two way to sending message. Whenever you run this code, it will open the message with all the content and files, and then you click send. Otherwise, just click the button, it will send. It will not show you the message directly sent. Okay, and I'm yeah. So it's your choice. If you want to do this, just make this uncomment. Okay, display, use display option. It will display the message. So you recheck and send it. Otherwise, if I comment it, it will directly send. So sometimes here, if anything mistake, we can check here itself. Okay, now I'm going to try this. So here, file path is attached. So which file is attached? This file. This file I'm going to attach in this with this email. So now everything is set. Now we are going to send the email. Let me try this. Okay. It's taking time because a file is attaching. Email sent successfully via Outlook 365. Okay. Now go to the email and check whether we get this email or not. Here. Okay, fine. Let me refresh. Yeah, here. New email. Dear. Okay. I think only dear is coming because I think we have to put everything into one line like this first time.
You have to copy the text, not the cell.
Oh, no problem. I'm doing that in a minute. Okay, fine. We will link this, and this is okay. I'm resending. Done. Go to the email. Just hold on. Where is the refresh button? Here. 1 minute, ma'am. Give me 1 minute. Ragni. Ragni. हाँ न्यूज़ हो गया यही है हाँ hello so we get email here email dear sir I am testing email to send it from the Excel to the email and it's already set in my this email thanks regard Amit and this is the sales report if you click so we get the sales report here see this so one click you will send the email as well as the report so now if you want to put the bulk email so you can extend this body here we only just keep only one line here in the code here body is like this from so we can extend it also from it this B3 to D4 D5 D6 till D6 then D6 till D6 I'll give some message in here control X put here thanks and because okay till B6 test 2 is the subject and it somebody is coming so we have to write this in another way it will not work okay just hold on copy the code go to the chat GPT and take the sample I want to add more range of body like This way we have to write separately. Then it so then time to the before like this. One minute, somebody is knocking my door. Just 1 minute. हाँ कौन है? हाँ अनिरुद्ध यही है. अनिरुद्ध सो गया. हाँ हेलो. Yeah. This way we can increase the body size and no problem. Okay, now I'm going to save. Let's try this one. Invalid use of the property. Okay, no problem. Copy this. Give me correct code. See this one. So I'm going to copy from here and here. Select code, copy complete code. Let's try for the complete code. Go to our code. Delete, paste. Save. Go. Send. Email sent successfully via Outlook 360. Now go to the email. Okay, wait for some time. Here, test 2 is our subject. See all the bodies. I am Amit testing this something and from here with a file attached here. Okay, this way we can send email. If you want to give more email, do you have any email ID of Outlook? If you
That's fine. I'll test later.
Yeah, if you have an email ID, give me email ID. I just add email ID here.
So, no, the thing is, this is not a big issue, but the thing is, we wanted to see bulk email when we have 300 recipients, 400 recipients.
Just put all the 300 email here, like this.
Only one, it is only one cell. In the one
all the emails. That's why I'm asking you. If you have email ID, let's suppose I'm putting here Amit and changing it. This is the another email ID. Then again third email ID, and here I change it like this.
So in the same cell I have to basically paste.
Yeah, here all the email ID.
Okay.
Yeah. So this way you can send email directly. Okay. So here when I click, it will send the email, but it doesn't display the message before sending. But if you change it like this, display where the display, just uncomment this. Okay, now it will first display, and if you want to send, then click on the send button. See, just okay. So email ID is not correct, so it will throw the something error. So just remove the wrong email ID. For example, yeah, just remove all the wrong email ID. This is the valid email ID, genuine. Now click button. See, it doesn't send directly. But it display and then send. Okay, but I think okay. See what happened here. Why it send the message? Here we uncomment the display, but we doesn't comment send. So first you display and then send it. So comment it. Comment. Now save and yeah, just see it doesn't send, but it's prepared the email for us. Attachment, writing email, email ID, everything is placed. So here CC we didn't add CC. So if you want to add CC and BC, that is also fine here. Now just check it whether everything is okay. Send it. Send it. So email sent successfully. Now our code completed. So it's your choice whether if you want to send it without checking the email at the end. Because if you verify here, that is fine. That's okay. That is okay. But if you want to check into the email whether everything is fine, so just add display like this. So this is one of the best thing in the macro. We can send the bulk email. Even 50 people we can send in one click. No need to giving extra time to give a format, copy all the email ID separately like this. So some most of the time HR of the company or manager of the company can send this kind of emails. You send this kind of emails. Send the bulk in a team. Yeah. So this is one of the best thing in macro, sending email automatically from the Excel. Now one more topic is left. Let's discuss it also. Similarly, like same sending email, we have a sending data from Excel to the Word, MS Word. Okay. So let's suppose we have a data or a report like this. I want to send this data to the Word document and then send. Just go to this code here. Exporting data to words. Okay. Email is almost like same. Sorry, the code is almost like same, but something different. So set WS as a this worksheet, and the name of the worksheet is sales report. And because sales report is the sheet name here, this sales report. Okay. After that, set WD app create object Word.application. We are going to send to words MS Word. Then WD doc equal to WD app document add. Okay. Then monthly reports generate on top sales data like this. Copy the data from Excel to the Word like this. WS range, it says set the range from A1 to D10. A1 to D10 here till this point. If you want to increase the length, it will increase. If you want to increase The things like whatever the size of the this table, it's automatically adjust. That is also possible. Let's say sometimes you get only this size, sometimes you get this size, sometimes you get bigger size, like this. It automatically adjusts. It copy entire data, whatever the data here, it's automatic. But this time I set like A1 to D10 only. Copy wd doc.contact.paste. Then this is the path. wd doc save as to. This is the path of the Word document. D drive ACT folder. One VBA macro Nusrat Jahan is the name of the sheet. Excel to the Word report. Okay. Then message report exported to Word successfully. Okay. So go to the folder first. Okay, I'm going to close this email.